Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set up ticket bot in Discord. So what you want to do first is open up your browser. So go to this website called tickettool.xyz and just click on invite ticket tool. So once you've invited it, you need to select the server. So let's see, I will pick the servers, go to continue, click on authorize. So just make sure that you're logged in first before you invite it to your server. So once you're done with that, let's check our Discord if it's invited. So as you can see, the ticket tool is now on our Discord server. So now what you want to do is go back to the website. Once you're back onto the website, just click on manage servers, just like so. Click on the server that you want to manage. So let's just sync it. And click on manage right here. And it will redirect you right here. So once you're here, you just need to click on this add button right here, or to create one. Let's say we wanted to name the panel or category like support. And once you're done with that, just click on save. So now what you want to do is go back to Discord, create a category right here called support, and add a channel. So let's name this tickets. Once you're done with that, go back to the website right here, click on send. So let's just refresh it so that it will be updated or it will sync. Then click on send, pick the channel that you want to add. We're going to click on tickets right here, then click on send. Once you're done with that, go back to Discord, and as you can see, it is already made for you. So to create a ticket, we're act with this one. So just need to create a ticket right here, and it will automatically create a ticket right here, as you can see. And you could do like customize it to your own liking right here on where like the category or create, say here, support, and for the ticket, or in general right here. So you could like set up here and for your liking and stuff. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.